Welcome back. In this virtual session, we're going to be looking into what is a blog. And at the end of this 12 chapter, you should be able to say something about blog. You might have been hearing people saying they're a blogger, they has blog, and you're just thinking within you that, what's this blog about? Since you're having this virtual chapter and you're watching it, at the end of it, you should be able to say something about what a blog is. So I'll be telling us the difference between a blog and a normal website, the different blogging platform available. Now, when you go to google.com to search for the definition of a blog, you will see various websites defining blog in their own way, telling us what blogging is all about. But this is what I was able to draft out about what a blog is. So I will call it web blog, while some call it blog. A blog is known for its easy to use website. You don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to know anything about writing of code before you can develop a website. Develop your website and you can start managing it. It allows you to quickly publish your thoughts, publish writing, interact with people. Such a website will typically be accessible to any internet user. The moment you create a blog, it is accessible to everybody. It is a global thing. People beyond your country can access your blog and even come online to comment on your blog. Now, I go ahead to have definition with some fellow bloggers. They said blogging is a publication of personal thoughts, events, experience. It can also be defined as posting of content on a blog, such as weblog, online journals, and etc. That is the definition given to me by the owner of Sifane blog. In one word, blogging is nothing but a group of ways to inform, educate, inspire, instruct, criticize, and entertain. That is the definition given to me by the owner of Creative Writing Machine, Peter Emu. Nowadays, blogging is anything you do on a blogging platform, Fashimina GH. That is just a simple definition given to me by a very close friend of mine, a fashion blogger here in Ghana. He said nowadays, blogging is anything you do on a blogging platform. Okay, a lot has been said by fellow bloggers, and I believe by now you should be able to understand what blog is all about and what blogging is all about. But let's still go ahead and talk more about what a blog is. Blog is an abbreviated version of weblog. I've said that earlier. You use blog to maintain an ongoing chronicle of information. First thing, before you decide that you want to create a blog, you also have to decide which area you want to be blogging about. What you want to always write about, you need to decide. We refer to such things as niche. In the blogging world, when you hear maybe someone just come and meet you and ask you, Charlie, do you have a blog? Then you said, yes. You can just ask, what is your blog niche? What he's trying to ask you is, which area are you blogging about? What is your blog subject? Are you blogging about politics? Are you blogging about web design? Are you blogging about sports? Are you blogging about entertainment? Are you blogging about mobile technology? You should be able to narrow your blog into a particular subject. And that subject is what we refer to as niche in the blogging world. By now, you should be able to grab one or two things from the various definitions and a little bit of explanation I've said. But as we move on, you will get to understand more of what blog is all about and what we refer to as blogging when you start blogging. Difference between a blog and a website. Now, this difference I give here is just a difference between a blog and a normal static website. Because the big difference between a blog and a static website is the content refreshment. When I say content refreshment, what I mean is when you have a blog, you can just sit down, write your articles, publish it, and instantly it will be visible. You don't need to upload, download, connect to a hosting server or anything. Just log into your Blogger dashboard, create your article, click on publish, and your content is there. Instantly, when people comes to your blog, they will see the content. But if it is a static website, you have to create a page, connect to your web hosting control panel, upload that page before it can be visible. But in terms of blog, it's not like that. Blog is dynamic. Log in, write your articles, publish, and it is visible. Now, in some way, blog provides commenting system. You can easily publish your article and people can come ahead to your blog, comment about your article, comment about what to publish about. So that is how easy blog is about. You can easily update a blog. You can always update your blog daily, every minute, every seconds. the content refreshment is very easy and it is there. Articles appears in a reverse chronological order. What this means is it is the latest article you publish that will be visible when people comes into your website. That is why we always have latest post or recent post at the right sidebar of our blog. People can always just come into your blog and see the latest article you just published. Frequently crawled by search engines. Blogs are easily crawled by search engines if you configure your blog very well. That's why I'll still be talking about search engine optimization. It's not only about creating a blog. There are a lot of things involved, or there are some things you have to implement to make your blog very effective and easy for search engine to crawl. Often covers a variety of articles, wide variety of articles. That's what I said. Let's say you've chosen to create a blog that will be talking about health. When you are talking about health, you can talk a lot. First aid, talk about HIV. There are a lot of things you can talk about. Like me, I blog about tech, and I know every area of tech. ICT Catalog is a blog that it covers a wide variety of articles and subjects. We have the ICT news in Ghana. We have ICT news beyond Ghana. We have the review section where we talk about mobile phones, laptops, tablets. We also have where we talk about the blogging tips, WordPress tips, general tips on mobile tips, IT business career tips, business tips, and so on. That is a wide variety of articles being covered by a particular blog. But I'll still be talking more about niche on the video title, what you need to get started before you create a blog, what are the requirements needed. Different blogging platform. We have a lot of blogging platform out there. We have WordPress, we have Blogger, some people call it Blogspot, we have Tumblr, we have Posteriors, we have Squarespace, we have Typepad, we have Drupal, we have LiveJournal, and so on. There are a lot of blogging platform out there, but the most popular one is WordPress and Blogger. This is the most used and the most trusted blogging platform out there, and we have people that also use Tumblr, Posteriors, but the two most used blogging platform is WordPress and Blogger. In summary, I believe that at this junction J, time T, you cannot describe a blog. You can differentiate between a blog and a website. You not understand the difference between the blogging, different blogging platform available. So I believe by now, when someone asks you what is a blog, you should be able to say something about what a blog is. And in our next video tutorial chapter, we're going to be talking about Blogspot, because our video tutorial is on Blogspot. I told us earlier the different blogging platforms available. We have Typepad, we have Tumblr, we have WordPress, we have Blogspot. Our video tutorial is on Blogspot. We want to create a Blogspot blog and monetize it, make it to be search engine optimized, and generate traffic so that people can be coming to our blog. So in the next video tutorial chapter, we're talking about what is blog and why Blogspot. The more a man smokes, the more he craves smoking. The last cigar smokes simply aside the desire for another, and so on incessantly. So I believe the more we are going, the more you'll be eager to learn more. So I would just want you to feel relaxed. This is a video tutorial. If you don't understand, kindly skip it back before you join us in the next lab video tutorial chapter, where I'll be talking about what is Blogspot and why did we decide to choose Blogspot.